Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In this video I'm going to show you a latest update, and I will reveal you the latest update regarding the PAWS listing. So first, it's going to be launched like on this exact April, so that the date has been officially revealed. So I will go and show you the date, so that you will confirm it and wait for it to be fully ready to trade your token. So just start your bell, so that the token will be dropped into your pocket. So here it is. If this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video, and make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end, so that you may not miss any update regarding the PAWS listing and the update that I'm going to share with you. So as you can see, like here's the Solana OGs. So always, like, if you have a token that you have been holding like in the first, so I will advise you to check it like time to time, like if you have a time to recheck it. So a part of the Solana OG, so the Telegram dashboard, so it's always been there for you. Like if you wish to see your token, like if you want to confirm your token is been saved, so you have a chance to go and like cross check your Telegram dashboard. So let's go for their Twitter handle, so that we should see the latest update that they have been shared in their X handle, which is really genuine and confirmed, so that the date may be like it is a short date that they are going to list that token. So we don't confirm it, we don't know we don't know the exact date, but we are predicting it to be real. So let's go together. So as you can see, like here is an admin X account, which is admin agent. So admin has been like posted this tweeted like 25 minutes ago, like right at the right time that I made this video. So the picture, it shows us like there was a moon that lightened our day, like which is our post. So like the Shrek and the donkey has been laying down and gathered our moon, which is our post. So we really friend proposed to be cooking for the community. So let's get back into the main X account, so that we should see the dates that are going to list their token. So here is the tweeted that they have posted like right today, which is 48 minutes like at the right time that I made this video. So let's dive into it, so that we may see the exact date that they are going to list their token. So because like they used to make it proverb, always they used to like give a message to the community with the like a picture that has a code that consists of so many like informative alphas. So let's dive into it. So as you can see, like here is the S account for our post, which is they have 648k followers. So here is the main account. Any account except this one, don't fall for a victim. So you have to be like very sure, like every information that you get like from the post community is from this first X account, which is got first lab, which is here. This one, it is the main like authenticity X account that they have. Any other except this one, it is just for a scam. Like don't fall for victim. You have to be sure and be squared. So let's dive into this picture. So as you can see, like here is the like a airplane, which is this is the screen of all the passengers that they are on airplane. So as you can see, like everyone like has been flashing their screen, like they are watching the screen, which is always they have been made it like the get first like symbol. So when you consider with this one, so let's zoom it. If you consider with this one is just short Wednesday. Like the Wednesday that we have, except the coming Wednesday, like upper Wednesday, it should be like on 16 April. So we really like thought the listing could be on 16 February, on 16 April, which is this month. So definitely we are really praying the date to be like exact day, which is 16 February, 16 April. So maybe we don't know. So maybe it is the day that they are going to list their tokens. And then again, if it is the day that they are going to list their token, so definitely before that day, the exchange are going to like revealing the date they are going to start the preparing for the RTGE. So here it is. So I think here is all what I want to share with you in this video. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.